It's pasta night and I'm going to do a ravioli with the simplest sauce, but it's all about freshness. Got my square pan, love the shape of this. It's going to really work well with the dish I'm doing, so it coats the big raviolis I'm using. Just fabulous. Here is some boiling water, and these will take about 3 minutes to cook. They go in, and as that's cooking, all I'm going to do is make a sauce. I love making Italian food in my Gotham steel pans because everything's just so easy to make in here. Cleanup's a breeze, and it really cooks things at the temperature you want. You're in control of it. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to take, so it doesn't burn, a little bit of oil. Now the oil is totally whatever you want to use. I'm using a truffle oil because, wow, why not? It tastes fantastic, but you might find a rosemary oil, you might find an oil that's infused with flavor that you like. So, play around, make it a little different every night. That's what cooking's all about. As that just breaks down, I'm going to put in a little bit of garlic, and that is a garlic paste, so it will just cook very smoothly. We don't want to have chunks of garlic in this. I want it to be in the sauce. It's a very, very light sauce. That's almost ready. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a turn because that's just about cooked. I'll give that a minute. Heat that up, and it's that quick, and we'll be ready to serve in just a second. Take that off. Then in goes to the pan this beautiful pasta. I don't mind a little bit of that liquid because it's going to help give a little starchiness to it. Going to throw in some cheese. Mix that in, and we're ready to serve it up. A little bit of chopped chives, and that's a meal you're going to love. Look, I'm even using metal on this. That's the beauty of Gotham steel. Slips right out. The perfect dish every time. That's a clean pan. Here's some freshness and gorgeous chives to make pasta night. Simple, easy, beautiful, all made in Gotham steel.